In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a support ticket system in ClickUp. We're going to use one of ClickUp's built-in templates so you can get a fully functional help desk up and running in just a few minutes without building everything from scratch. First, make sure you're in ClickUp and looking at the correct space where you want the support ticket system to live. Then navigate to any list view inside that space. This just gives you a starting point within the right area of your workspace. Next, look for the plus icon next to the space or folder where you want to add your support ticket system. Click that plus icon. This is how you add a new list. And in our case, we're going to base that list on a template. When the options appear, choose templates. This opens ClickUp's template center where you'll find pre-built setups for different workflows. In the template search bar, click into it and type help desk. This keyword will pull up templates designed for managing incoming support requests. From the search results, look for the help desk ticket template and click on it. You'll see a preview of what's included: lists, views, statuses, and more. Once you're happy with that choice, click on Use Template. You'll now be prompted to name this new list. Type in something clear and descriptive, like Support Ticket System, so your team immediately understands what this area is for. After entering the name, click Use Template again to confirm and start the import. Give ClickUp a few seconds to create everything. It can take up to around 15 seconds, so don't worry if nothing appears immediately. Once it's finished loading, you'll land on the main ticket list view. This is where all your support tickets will be stored and managed in a simple table layout. Along the top, you'll also see several additional views that come with the template. There's a Getting Started guide view, which is really helpful for understanding how the system is structured. You'll see a ticket priority view to quickly see which issues are urgent, plus ticket categories and ticket status views to group tickets by type and by stage in your workflow. If you click on To More in the view bar, you'll reveal even more options, like the board view, where tickets are organized in columns by status. Clicking To More again will show the ticket submission form view. This is the form your users or team members can fill out to create tickets directly into the system. Finally, remember, you can customize any of these views or remove the ones you don't need. Adjusting filters, fields, and layouts will help you tailor this support ticket system to match exactly how your team works.